concept of Ayushmati started at National Cancer Institute to increase awareness of cancer amongst the female population in and around Nagpur. We have been doing this program once a week of screening. We normally have about 30 to 35 patients every Saturday. This whole program is free for all participants. The participants come from various spheres of society. As the awareness of the program increased, there were more and more participation. What eventually happened was that they volunteered to come here every Saturday. Different groups from schools, school teachers, college teachers, to some social organizations, and that has helped increase the awareness. How it has benefited the society is because as the awareness increased, there were more participants, and that has led to more people being screened for cancer. Obviously, this being not a targeted population, the incidence of cancer was very low, but what it led to was when the cancer was detected, it was in a very early treatable phase, and that has helped all the participants overcome the cancer affliction.
We launched a program called Ayushmati to focus on education, prevention and awareness about cancers occurring in women. Unfortunately, a lot of women in our country suffer from a variety of cancers, commonly breast cancer. Many times they come to us late, and therefore the treatment outcome is not so good. At the same time, if these cancers are picked up early, there is a great potential to cure these women. At NCI, we have a special focus on women with cancer for the reason that any woman is a very central figure in the family, and if she gets a cancer, the entire family collapses. Therefore, it's important to address cancers occurring in women, especially in the Indian scenario. We may have a patient coming from a distant village, or we may have a patient coming from somebody who is employed in a corporate house. So different social and economic backgrounds. And that would impact on the way they think about their health, and therefore would also impact on the way they access cancer prevention and screening services. We feel that this will go a long way in bringing down the late detection of cancer, so we will have more patients coming in early stages, so the potential for cure will be very high. In our country, in general, it is expected that the number of cancer patients will triple in the next 3 decades. So also we'll see more of women with cancers in the coming decades. So it's important that in addition to focusing on the treatment of patients who are diagnosed with cancer, we also focus on screening and cancer education. The overall goal is to improve health literacy and especially cancer literacy. It is not possible to overnight change the epidemiology of cancer occurring in our country, but activities like this would bring the change in the cancer epidemiology in the next few decades.
Digital mammography is for the breast imaging, which detect breast cancer early, and screening mammography is a special type of mammography which detect cancer in patients which are asymptomatic. That means which do not have any complaints. There is one advanced feature which is called as a digital breast tomosynthesis, which is a form of 3D type of mammography, which helps in detecting smaller lesions in breast, which are usually missed on a conventional mammography. We have performed at least more than 1,000 mammography in Ayushmati campaign, and around 3 to 4 early breast cancer has been diagnosed and also treated early, and these patients are really doing well. And some features like a self breast compression tool, which is in the mammography machine, which really helps patient to decrease the discomfort. And screening mammography is really help in increase the awareness in the general population about the breast cancer.
As we all know, women does not like to come forward regarding their health issues, maybe due to multiple factors like social burden, financial issues, shyness, or ignorance level. Ayushmati was designed to screen and to increase awareness about women's health. Right from the beginning, we made them comfortable by preparing, counseling, and examining by our team of expert women. It was all women program. They can freely discuss their myths, phobias, or health. Group screening was encouraged to reduce the anxiety levels and to support each other. At the end, all women would feel relaxed, confident, and would feel positive about their health.